Are you a WhatsApp marketer who is getting massive amount of leads? You run ads, Facebook ads, WhatsApp ads, Google ads, and you have your leads coming directly into your DM, maybe because of your lead magnet or the likes. But you will have noticed it is a tedious task to save each contact as soon as they enter your DM. What if I told you there's a way you can automatically save every DM? None will be missing that enters your DM. Every lead that comes into your DM, I will show you that right now. So we are here in our WhatsApp expecting them to come, and then they send their message. Immediately their name that is saved, look at this, it is saved as lead one. So it immediately saves their contacts to your see, it saves it to your address book without you lifting a finger. Now perchance you do not want it to be saving with only leads with the generic name of lead, and you want whosoever comes into your DM, you're coming for your lead, or coming for your lead magnet or your class, you want it to save with their names, and then you've already organized your sales funnel. So they come into your DM and they tell you, they send just the prompt message that you've already used in your link. So they send it like this: I want the free video, my name is, they mention their name. So watch this, it answers their question, answers them immediately, and it saves. Watch this, immediately their name is saved. When you go into the chat, you will see that their name is saved with what they said their name is. It's saved with what they said their name is. It is saved with what their name is. You see, it is saved with what their name is. Perhaps also you just created that funnel, you've run the ads, and then you have a trigger word like your welcome message that you've already placed inside the link so that they can check. So they come, and they when they come, they have to tell you their name, right? So they are entering your DM. Hello, I want the free, whatever your lead magnet, it may be a video. For this case, I'm using a video. I want the free video. My name is, there are some crafty ones that will never send, they will never put in your name. They just want to collect what you have and get away with it and go like that. I tell you, with this bot, you will be able to get every one of them because it will query them. Just let me demonstrate it. So watch this. Watch this. The bot queries them immediately. It tells them, watch this, see? It tells them your number is not saved here yet. Please, what is your name? You must make sure that their name is saved, is given. So it tells you, okay, my name. They tell you their name is, let's say they lie at first. They tell you their name is Ruth. So they tell you their name. Then it will query them because many people can lie. But when your bot responds like this, it tends to catch them off guard. See, it asks them, your name is Terry, right? Yes or no? It tells, okay, that's not my name. So it tells them, okay, what is your name? Reply with your name. So the person then tells you his real name. His name is. What is this? Okay, yes, my name is Jared. What this? Immediately the name is saved. Say Jared. What is, you see, that's saved. It conversed with the message and with the lead and saved his name immediately with what he said his name is, and you have it like that. So you are able to communicate with them later on and later on. Is this not crazy? Is this not crazy? I can create this for you. You just need to reach out to me. My reaching out to me is in the link, is in the description. This link in the description. So reach out to me quickly.